Come closer. Does this sound like you? I don't know who I am anymore. I don't know who I am anymore. I look in the mirror and I'm like, I don't know who that is staring back at me. I don't know why I'm here. I don't know why I'm doing the things I'm doing. I don't know why I'm in this relationship. I don't know why I'm living in this town or city. I don't know why I'm in this home. I don't know why I'm in this job. I don't know why I'm wearing this. I don't know why I'm wearing my hair the way it is. I don't know why I'm eating the way I am. I don't know why I don't know. If that sounds like you, I get it. We all go during transitional times through periods of crisis in identity. It is a pivotal moment to understand that your life purpose doesn't stay the same the whole of your life. It changes. And the more we resist and we fight it and we hold on to it and we say like, no, but I want it to be what it was last year, 10 years ago, 20 years, it's not going to be the same. That's a formula for misery. So here's the thing. What do? You got to reset. You got to make the time to discover your purpose. Pour that time into yourself. And I've created a program to help you do that in 4 easy steps, the Soul Method. I want to teach it to you. So join me